Digital policy is the set of economic policies and social policies that are applied to digital companies. By digital company, I mean a company with a large and fundamentally digital component to their work, especially digital platforms. The main topics that we're going to address are the underlying economics and benefits of digital business models, the ways to apply market definition and market power to digital activities, the arguments related to dominance and abuse of dominance by digital companies, the analysis of digital mergers and whether they create harms, the features and the purpose of digital regulation, such as the EU's Digital Markets Act or other countries' digital regulations, and the role of big data, privacy, price personalization, and algorithms. These topics are going to be viewed especially through an economic lens, but very much also with the view towards understanding legal cases that have occurred. The people most interested in taking this module will be professionals within government, law firms, consulting companies, and businesses that have a particular responsibility for digital markets or who would need to engage on these topics. These topics can really be very relevant to regulatory, legal, and compliance at companies from the gamut of a traditional brick-and-mortar business through a technology business all the way over to businesses that are the most digitally focused. Digital products have taken on a really important role in people's lives, and they raise all sorts of questions that policymakers and individual users are engaging with. This module will provide a framework combining theoretical, business design, and empirical evidence that helps us to understand the core social and economic concerns that can arise from these new business models. This feeds into the fundamental question of when society might want to intervene in setting rules over the running of businesses. Business, government, and interested observers who want to understand where current and future government actions are headed and what motivates these actions will gain a deeper perspective on these new developments. You will leave with a capacity to contribute to these debates at an intuitive economic level, to think critically about how to evaluate behaviors by digital companies and to amend those behaviors so that they raise fewer concerns. And you will gain a deeper factual understanding of how platforms are actually working behind the scenes. This will give you a better insight into the ways they yield benefits and sometimes the ways they could result in economic or social harms.